How to change font style on Instagram username, stylish font tutorial. Hey everyone, I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change the font style of your Instagram username and make your profile look more stylish and unique. A lot of people want fancy fonts on their Instagram bio or username, but they don't really know how to do it. So make sure you watch this video till the end and follow every step carefully. Also, don't subscribe to my channel Zonic Tech and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my new tutorial. Alright, let's get started. Open the Chrome browser on your phone. In the search bar, type Instagram font and hit the enter. You will see a website called InstaFonts right at the top. Click on it. Now you can type anything here. For example, I will type I am so cool. Scroll down and you will see a list of stylish font options appear below. Choose the font you like the most. Next to each font you will see a small copy icon. It's look like a book. Tap on it to copy your favorite font. Now open your Instagram app. Go to your profile. Then tap edit profile. Here you will see option for name and username. Select the one you want to change. For example, I will change my name. Now simply paste the copy font into that field and hit save. And that's it. You have just changed your Instagram font style and made your profile look super cool and unique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, and for more useful tech tricks like this, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech. Thanks for watching.